Hey there, it's Kinah. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the the January Oso Paper Co. Mini Friends subscription. So if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Kinah. You'll find all things planner, budget, lifestyle related. If you're an OG, welcome back. So this is the January kit, correct. So if you're interested in seeing what's going on here, stay tuned. Alright, let's get this here to the side and let's get into this washi first because, baby, if you guys did not see my last Oso Paper Co. unboxing, this box has been reformatted. The price did go up slightly, and when I say slightly, it might have been $2 increase. But as you can see, it's packed. So let's look into this washi, y'all. Cute. Okay. Let's unroll it so we can see what we got going on here. Oh my goodness. For y'all purple lovers, come on and focus, please. Pretty, please. For y'all purple lovers, baby, do you see this, y'all? This is so stinking pretty. Look at this washi. I'm here for the ski vibes, okay? So that's the 15. Oh Lord, I done thrown the thing in the trash. That's the 15, excuse me, that's a 20mm roll. Goodness. And here is the 10. We have the same purple background with the silver snowflakes. Purple ombre. Come on. Purple ombre with the silver snowflakes. Cute, cute, cute. So there's our washi for this month. Next, we got a little packet here. So it says removable decals. There are 17 decals on one sheet. There's definitely other stuff in here. So let's go ahead and get this all out. Okay, so we definitely have the decals. Super cute. It is clear. They're clear decals. Walking in a winter wonderland. We have all of the ladies. We're on a snowmobile. We're skiing. I love this. It says paradise doesn't have to be tropical. 100% accurate. So we have this month's magnet. Cute. Ooh, we have a magnetic bookmark. Let's get this open so y'all can see it without the glare. So here is our magnetic bookmark. The ladies are skiing. And we have the sticker of the month here for it. And then we got some page flags, y'all. Look at the page flags. And then we have some journaling cards. Oh, that's cute. Look at that hollow foil on there. It says Oso Paper. And on the back it says Snow Much Fun. And it's lined with the hollow foil on there. And then we have this one that's lined with the hollow foil. It says Snow here on the side. The ladies are cute. They cute, cute. And then you guys saw the decals. And then now let's get into these stickers. So the sticker pack has 347 stickers on 10 sheets. Alright. Alright, let's go through these. Oh, they're not named anymore. Oh, okay. So we have our first lady here. So we've got some habit trackers, a long sticker box, Black History Month, Valentine's Day, President's Day, Mardi Gras. We've got some boxes and some checklists. And then we've got some date covers. We have Miss Zoe over here sipping tea. Y'all, we got some date dots now. Okay, Danielle, we see you, baby. Bundle Up, Snow Day, Sweater Weather. Paradise doesn't have to be tropical, so this is our deco sheet. We've got 2 weekend stickers, some circles over here. We've got some full and half boxes and some headers. We've got some icons here, Tidy Up, Payday, Bill Do, some page flags, and Our Ladies with some arrows. Oh, y'all, this is cute. Look at these boxes. Yes, here for this. Oh, and then we got some icons. Cute, cute, cute. So, y'all, this is our 10-page sticker pack. Alright, y'all, so here is the January 2022 Oso Paper Co. Mini Friends Monthly. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.